In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to play Dune Awakening on PlayStation 4 and whether or not it is possible to do this. As you might be aware, Dune Awakening is currently hosted on Steam through its store page. You will be able to visit, purchase it here. You can watch live streams featuring gameplay, see all of the reviews, and start playing right away on PC. However, what about consoles, including specifically the PlayStation 4? Like I said before, if you visit the official website, the only store that they have listed at the moment is Steam. Is the game being ported over to consoles? Well, it actually is, and in fact, as you saw in the beginning of the video, they already have a PlayStation Store page made for the game. It is announced and you can add to your wishlist, release date to be determined. The devs have said that consoles will receive the game in probably 2026, however, there is no guarantee or no specific date set during the time that I'm recording this video. However, the question still remains, is it going to be available for the PlayStation 4 specifically? Well, considering the scope of the game and the fact that it is developed with very modern engines, in my personal opinion, the chances of this game being released on old-gen consoles like the PlayStation 4 are near zero. Sadly, we can only speculate, but I believe it is a very safe bet to say that this game will not be released on the PlayStation 4. So the answer to the question in the title of this video is that most likely you will not be able to play Dune Awakening on the PlayStation 4. You will either need to play on a PC, or if you want to play on a console, it needs to be a new-gen PlayStation 5 or an Xbox Series S or X. Because of how big the game is, the development cycle, and the engine that they use, it is unlikely that this game will be capable of running on old-gen hardware. Developers have started moving forward with their games, so as it stands today, it is extremely unlikely to see a new release on such an old console. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to speculate on the release of Dune Awakening and regarding its availability on consoles. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.